Hey, welcome back to Happy Little Notaries. I'm your host, and today we're going to do 5 minutes for Friday. So I have about 5 minutes to tell you about something. Today I'm going to tell you about Dolby Vision and a tool that I made for a friend called the Dolby Vision Spoof. And now what the Dolby Vision Spoof does is it allows you, when you're doing HDR, so if you do HDR and you're doing a Dolby Vision Master, where you're going to embed the sidecar that tells it how to sample down my Dolby Vision from HDR down to SDR without doing it in one pass, you have to come in here and play around with the Dolby Vision settings. Now, it has a lot of things you could do, but the big thing is you sample a frame, or you sample a selected clips, or you sample all, and it does this weird thing and then makes a decision on how to go from HDR to SDR by filling in these values, min, max, and average. And so this becomes this slightly problematic thing where you don't have control over changing these values. So the end result is you don't have control over how Dolby Vision is manipulating your image to SDR. So I made this tool floating up here called Dolby Vision Spoof. You can get it. It's free because, it's also Friday. So it's free Friday. Free Friday, 5 minutes on Friday. And what we can do is set these values. We'll turn it on and you can see what it's doing. So it's setting a minimum value, and it's setting average luminance value, and it's setting a maximum luminance value. And you can see it's just a black and white cookie, however you want to cut it. So if we set our max to 930, our min to, say, 100.1, and our target average somewhere, bloop, 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 bloop. We can then say, when we go down here and we're sitting here in Dolby Vision, when we click frame, all the values are now updated to match our min, our max, and our average values in the Dolby Vision Spoof. So look up in the top right-hand corner, you should be able to see our values for the DCTL, and they will match no matter what we change them to. So let's just change this, and we'll hit over frame, and you can see that is updated to 2345. And the average is 294 still. And we can go back and tweak that and put it down close to 0. Make a small adjustment there. Click frame. It's going to update again. 0.438, 0.93. These values in this untouchable zone in Dolby Vision are now touchable with this simple DCTL. And it is available for free over at December 18 Studios, so you can go check out a lot of the other tools. Some of them aren't free, some of them are free, but this one is, because it's so simple, it's so silly, and Dolby Vision should just make this available. Why do we have to go and spoof them? Kind of crazy, kind of silly. Anyways, until next time, this has been a short 5-minute Friday, and yeah, go get the tool. Links in the description. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and maybe your comment will be the topic of a new 5-Minute Friday next week.